What's good, Auto Gang? It's your boy Eazy. Coming back at y'all another video, man. The grind don't stop, you know what I'm saying? So I'm out here by my dog house. Got the Infiniti q70. I'm about to do one tire, 245, 45, 20, and do a quick little tire rotation. Get my dog right, you hear me? So y'all roll what to do and let's get it. Alright, got the driver's side rotated. Rotate this side to the back, and we're gonna be changing this tire. Alright, got everything rotated. We're gonna put the new tire on the front. This is a 245, 45, 20. So I'm gonna cut my compressor on the generator and shut on when I'm just on this tire. Get it a good balance. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh no, I'm gonna put this in the back. That's your vent. Alright, we all good to go. Let them know about the vent rim in the back. Go in the front. We all good. Oh, you communicate with the customer. You be all good. But until next time, gang, holla at me.